Yes, again, one of our originals for the last song. Thank you guys for sharing the stage and enjoy your stay at Blackhouse. Good food, cheap beer. Let's go, baby.
Yon. Ikaw ba yon yung nasa likod, ano? Johnny?
Para si Christian yung nakikita ko eh.
I invoke my right to self-incrimination.
Okay.
Oo nga, si Jan nga to. Jan. Sino katabi mo dyan? Si Nico ba?
Again, I invoke my right to silence.
Yun.
Yes or no
Magandang
lang
linggo
naman.
ng gabi.
Yes or no lang naman yun.
Sorry to interrupt, bros, pero we need the meeting ID for Mark.
Key
For
Mark?
some reason, ina-ask pa rin siya ng... yeah, pero I also invoke my right.
Sige.
Rigel, is this something that you can share na lang? Yung meeting ID?
Sige. I-ano ko muna.
For the viewers,
Oo.
there to nangungulit sila, man.
Okay. Sige.
Sige.
While waiting for Mark, once again, magandang linggo ng gabi. Siyempre, kasama natin ngayon, literal na pang-alak. Alak 8. Representative pa rin niya.
Yeah.
Aking kaliwa, magingay, likor! Palakpakan naman yun.
Yun!
Oh yeah. So, grabe yung hagupit ng bagyo this week. Masyado ramdam yun. Hope everything is fine sa lahat. Maraming salamat din lalo sa guest natin tonight. Tonight we have Obet, Bob, and Mike, and later on Mark on the show.
Yeah.
Again, let's give it liquor, ladies and gents.
Thank you.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. Mga brother, siyempre, sisimulan natin itong podcast natin. Kumusta kayo? Kumusta kayo individually? Kumusta ang likor?
Anyone want to start, Mike? You want to start?
Ikaw, Bret. Ikaw. Dapat. Sa'yo nag-start lahat yan eh.
Yeah. Yeah. As usual, lasing. So that's liquor for you. But yeah, everything's good. Medyo setback lang kami. We've been going through a lot of things. Yeah, but we're looking forward to entertain each and every one of you guys again. Soonest, hopefully, before Christmas, because everyone's recovering from their own, things. Pero we miss the band scene. We haven't been on the stage for like a couple of months. I think 3. So yeah, we're looking forward to play again, and just enjoy it, and give yourselves and everyone a happy rock and roll fucking gig. So and yeah, yung mga everyone's trying to watch this podcast right now. So yeah, pero salamat sa local brew, brother Johnny, and everyone for making this possible. Yeah, salamat. We cheer to you, and more power, pare. Sorry, lasing.
Salamat.
Alam mo, nakaka-English lang ako pag may headset.
Konting alak pa, pre, sasabayan na kita.
Yeah. Sumasyat ka ulit ngayon, Johnny?
Yeah, man. I think I'm on my second can.
Yun, kay
And,
kay...
Sir Mike?
Yes, Sir Mike.
Sa liquor kasi, they started the band talaga. Formally, yung liquor was 2022. Tama ba, Brother Obet? 2022, di ba? Establish ang liquor, legal, parang officially. But but before that, kasi sila Obet, sila Mark, and the rest of the band, magkakaband talaga sila before. So si Obet, kinungkap ko, sila Obet, sila Mark, and the rest of the band, magkakaband talaga sila before. So si Obet, kinungkap ko.
Bigyan ko yung background. Me and Mike are batchmates. schoolmates sa one of the schools here in the South. So when I was with my former band, which is 826, I wouldn't even, di ba, i-mention ko talaga yung 826 kasi malaki yung contribution ng 826 with Liquor. Because one of our guitarists there, which is Mr. Judicial Martinez, he wrote most of the songs with me. So, yeah, malaki yung gratitude namin. And he knows about Liquor. So, kami ni Mike, syempre, we've been messaging each other na gawa lang kami ng band din namin. Pero, I was stuck up with 826 kasi syempre, being in a band is being like on a brotherhood, right? So you can't really give up this thing and just go for another band. Well, that para sa akin. So loyalty, di ba? Every time. Pero yeah, well, things happen with 826 and then Mike was there. So he was a blessing. This brother was a blessing.
But matagal na kasi akong studio drummer for the past. Ang last official band ko was, if I remember, college pa ako, 1995, 96. And nagbabanda ako outside. And then after that, hindi ako nagkabanda. Puro studio drummer. Kaya nung nag-aya si Obet na, let's form a band, sabi ko, tara, let's go. Wish ko na rin tumugtog outside eh. So, ayun. At inayos yung mga kanta. Ayun.
Ako talaga nag-aya.
Hindi.
Tayong dalawa.
Nag-ayaan tayong dalawa.
Yeah. Para malinaw, baka may magalit.
Hindi, it's mutual.
I'm happy to say na I was able to watch these guys as the first version of them and then the newer version. Kasi for everybody's then we actually, me and Christian from Southern Project, we were introduced to Obet and the band through Anjo. God rest his soul. So it was through Anjo. He was like, meron akong kaibigan. Ano ko to? Kababata ko to. Magaling to. So, diba, coming from him, it's already high praise. So we were like, okay, cool. And then they were already able to prove it. Doon pa yun sa Gersons, diba? Birthday mo pa yun, Obet.
Bro.
Birthday mo pa yun. Solid yun. We were with Hey Moonshine and a whole bunch of other guys. So it was a great night. Solid yun.
It was a great night. It was a great night.
Yeah.
And then, right after that night, after 2 months, di ba sabi natin, tayo malas noon, tayo nagsimula ng lockdown. Remember that, di ba?
Yeah, man. You don't have to bring up that part.
I'm sorry. Pero that was the first time I tried Tiger beer alcohol. Wow!
Ang lakas ng promotion ni Ang lakas ng promotion ni Dino Ryan nun eh.
Yeah. Grabe. Tiger is not tiger. Hindi yung tiger, man. Lion yun.
Rawr.
Yeah. And yeah, I remember the Jerson gig, Johnny. Kind of this first time I met you, man.
Yeah.
And some other folks na saya. I remember this one, Stig.
Yeah, Stig. Oh, man.
Stig, yeah.
Watching, I love you, man.
And he's my neighbor, man. He's my neighbor. Kaya pala, ang galing. So, thank you for that particular very important na specific time sa gig moments namin na 806, and that actually built us up. Alam mo, before 806 we were 3 years just playing on a garage, and then ba't di tayo tumugtog sa labas? And Anjo found us, and I'm unfortunate enough na nakakalungkot, Anjo.
Yeah.
So yeah, hindi man ako nakabisita, bro. Eh, nakalungkot
It's
yun.
all
Pero I wish him, I know he's in heaven right now. So, well,
so
wag natin
just
palungkutin.
okay,
Anjo would hate us
just
for that.
yeah. So just going back to
Oo,
going back on the reins here,
going
man.
back,
So
going back. Sorry.
from what you're saying now, you guys were able to develop the sound muna tightly before you were able to come out with it.
Which one, with 806?
No, the whole
The whole with
concept of the
the whole,
band.
yeah.
Yeah, with
You know,
806 and Liquor. So you guys compressed it over muna, nag-jam muna
yeah,
kayo na
kasi
nag-jam before kayo
things
lumabas.
things like happened. We had to change people, you know, with the band. Um, it sucks. Sucks really. Pero yeah, we had to do it kasi Mark and Gab and me, you know, we're really passionate about the music. You know,
Mhm.
music is something that you have to share from deep within you. Yeah, wala kang pakialam who the fuck listens to it eh. Yeah, just this feeling na you have to share it. Diba? Kasi, you know, we suffer from all these things. And mas lalo na ngayon, diba? Especially now, ang gulo-gulo ng mundo and everything that shit. You know, you have to build an outlet and share it. Kasi if you don't, you crumble, you implode. Diba?
Yung songs kasi, yung songs kasi, pinarinig sa akin, pinanood ni Obet yung mga original compositions nila. So I saw the potential of the songs. Ang gaganda nung sulat, gaganda nung guitar riffs, ganda nung lyrics. Sabi ko, sayang itong mga to. Katulad nung first song na pinlay, yung Love Hate, and then yung latest single na nilabas. Tinarabaho namin isa-isa na buhayin natin to, ayusin natin ito. Sayang eh. May potential yung songs which came out naman na maganda yung naging result na naayos yung song at na-publish kahit paano. Na-play sa gigs.
Yung sa ano, yung sa mga, yan, yung sa, kunyari, sa love, hate. May inspiration din ba behind that music?
Yeah, the lyrics itself would,
Yeah.
I think would, yeah. I was going through a very magulong relationship with my wife. So,
Dapat
yeah, I
pala,
took that as
dapat pala di ko
as an
muna tinanong.
opportunity. No, it's okay, bro. It's okay. Cheers to that.
Yeah.
No, which is good kasi, you know, she's listening. Fuck you.
Yeah.
Pero thank you then kasi you made me write this shit, di ba? Pero it was, you know, these songs, if you're really into it, and I don't know, as in the last 3 songs that I wrote, na I was in a not a limbo, pero as in sobrang baliw ako. You know, these things happen with people who are,
Yes.
so ang bilis pumasok nung lyrics, as in ang bilis, ang sarap ang magsulat. And then kasi ako, if I let it, paano ko magsulat is I tell my brothers na gawa muna kayo ng melody. I have to listen to the melody first. I have to know how the song goes first, the melody and everything, the tone, lahat, and then I write the words. Yeah.
Last to play ka.
Yeah. Minsan nagsusulat ako ng ako lang. Tangina, binasa ko parang pang Kuya Will.
Hindi, ganun talaga. Pag sarili mong sulat, parang nakokornihan ka sa sarili mo. Parang ganun.
Yeah. Totoo. It's, you tend to write things na alam mo hindi maintindihan ng, di ba? So that's not right. Pero enough of this.
It's all good, bro.
He's silent, man. Order kang alcohol dyan.
So yun yung sa love-hate na inspiration mo. Like, so, sorry. So, yung sa love-hate, talagang, ikaw lang yung gumawa, nag-compose from start to finish? Or did you have any like contributions from your teammates?
Yeah.
Like how does your normal go ahead?
Yeah. First, yeah, melody, and then we start from that, and then we write I write the lyrics. So then magja-jam kami, and then we try to fix everything. If there's something missing, if there's a need to adjust things, then we adjust. Give and take. I mean, sila rin nagsulat nung uh, Jude, which is our guitarist from 806. He's a really really good guitarist. Then, um, he did those melodies together with Gab and Mark Trinidad, our bassist, who is not yet here, I think. But yeah, ganun kami mag-write ng songs. The melody starts, and then I write the lyrics, and then we jam. We try to fix whatever is missing. If there's something wrong with the melody, then we fix the melody, and then the tempo and all those things, technical things. Na hindi naman ako technical. I wasn't even, I just want to sing. But those kind of things. I para sa amin, that's how we made the song. So we started with the melody and the right lyrics and fix and pakinggan with a couple of drinks. Pakinggan kung how it is with us, and we have a couple of people listen to the jam sessions. Kasi the band that I had before with 806, we had a house with our former drummer Johnny Salcedo Garcia. Shout out.
Johnny Boy. Better Johnny.
Yeah, Johnny Boy. Yeah, he had a house Somerville, and we every weekend we just play whatever we wanted to play, and kung may originals, and we play those, we practice everything, and then we fix it. So ganun. And then after 3 years, Johnny and Chris found us, and Anjo. so here we are. So we never really thought we would be even playing. Kasi those compositions just was really for us. It was yun pala, it was meant to share. So maybe it was really something na ang galing nung timing and everything with Johnny and Chris and Anjo and everything. Galing.
I think with everything talaga, if you start off as a backyard band, the way I call it is a backyard band, eventually it gets out, and with it's evident naman na sa tagal nyo na nag-jam, it's meant to be shared. For sharing naman talaga ang music, pare. Hindi mo pwede pagdamot dyan sa mundo. I mean, you'd be very, very madamot kung ganun. I mean, posthumous lang lahat maririnig mo. That's not fair. I mean, we want to see you live, man. We want to see you live and alive.
We were shy.
Shy boys.
We were shy. Yeah, kasi, kasi lahat yun, it was all for love and all that shit. And so we weren't ready to, sana sa amin na, pero yun nga, yung nangyari na lahat. And we're all really proud na share yung music. And nagulat kami with the appreciation, di ba? Nakakagulat. And up to now, parang, wow. Di ba, parang, nakakagulat lang. And TSP was a big part of that shit, di ba? Ang galing. Ang galing, yeah, really. So, well, moving ahead, then we had split ups and all that shit. And then we formed Liquor. So, am I really talkative?
No, man, this is a podcast. You're supposed to talk.
Is it okay? Lumalabas yung pagka-BPO ko, man. O mamaya magbenta ako
It is
ng
okay.
Walang AHT to, bro.
You guys saw where I am working right now, right? So,
Andito yung workforce, oh. Andito yung workforce natin, bro.
Oo nga.
Oo nga pala.
Dito legal yung AHT.
DJ,
Mahaba
I'm
ng
here.
AHT dito.
I'm here. Sorry, pare. Can I place you guys on mute? Pero, yeah. So going to liquor. So yeah, we've gone through all those things na the usual things na dinadaanan ng usual banda na normal na banda na you have to change and make for the better. Make for the better, di ba? Kasi well, yeah, Mark, my our bassist is really passionate about music. Gab, masyado na yan, is really passionate about music. I think, sana, I am passionate about music. So, yeah, we just really found people who are really passionate about these things, Bob and Mike. And we're really thankful for them. And, it's just maybe para walang masaktan. Baka kasi nakikinig. You have to be proud of where we are right now because you wrote those songs as well. Right? You wrote those songs as well. And we're just continuing where we left off. Right? So, royalties, tangin na naman eh. Wala tayong royalties dito. Walang yumayaman sa musika dito sa Pilipinas, man. If you're gonna ask me, libre kita ng beer. That's it. Hirap pa ako sa mga libre ng beer. So, di ba, come on. Sa mga bands na dumadaan, yung friend ko dito is saying, haba na AHT ko. Pero those bands na going through what we have gone through before, go for it. Kasi if you think na it will do you good, your band, your passion, and you want to share your music, and you want your music to be good, and those people who are trying to get into your band, use them. Kasi you won't really know. You won't really know na things with the music. If I was gonna be Flea right now and speak about the galaxy and the new universe, we all connect. We all connect, and it's just all a matter of passion and everything, and how you love doing what it is that you're doing. And if you don't know how to take criticism, let go of the music industry. Let go of the music industry because
Well said, man. Well said.
I agree.
that is not the way to go. If you can take it, let go of this. This is not for you. Masisiraan ka ng ulo dito. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's it. I think I've said too much. I'll keep quiet
No, man.
and drink my
That's not-
fucking alcohol with
Oh,
you
There's no
guys.
such thing as too much. So,
Tangina,
Mike-
dapat isang camera lang tayo and we be all here drinking shit. Kani, alam mo paano ako gusto ko uminom and, I want you guys to be alcohol induced.
There's no problem there, sir. So,
Sir.
my question for Mike, man. Coming from with Johnny's playing and your playing, I can see na seamless naman yung pag-ano ninyo. Pero, did you have to tweak it into your own into your own flavor, or did you just
Yes. No offense kay Sir Johnny, hindi naman okay yung palo niya. Maganda naman yung ginawa niya, nabuo naman yung kanta. Pero siguro parang naisip ko lang na I think parang for me na parang mas bagay itong gantong for example yung beat na gagawin for the song. And yung bass kasi yung pinaka foundation nung palo itself, andun naman. Kumbaga, iniba mo lang, naglagay ka lang ng konti. Sa tingin ko na parang babagay doon. Yun lang. Sana, kahit pa paano, sana. Well, wala pa akong formal feedback na na sana kahit pa paano na-appreciate niya yung nangyari. Naging outcome, hindi negative. Kasi, tingin ko, yun lang parang babagay naman sa kanta. Well, yun lang.
Parang parang nagkaroon na ng konting restructuring yung sa
Oo. Iniba ko rin, in a way, para syempre, parang, mo na rin, parang, watermark mo na, yung trademark mo. Para hindi naman sabihin 100% pinalo, para na ginaya yung palo, para maiba lang na sariling version kahit pa paano. Yun lang.
Hindi, maganda naman eh. I mean, as I've seen, okay talaga siya. So, it's a, I think even Johnny would agree na you've done it proud. So, it's all good. Maganda yung pagkakalatag. Gusto ko yung combination yung, actually, kayo ni na Bob, tsaka ni Gab, tsaka ni Mark. Parang, iba yung synergy yung apat eh. Si Tito Obet lang talaga yung yung lamang pogi na
Wow! Boy, it wasn't me that started that shit. Si Bob. Yan yung hubadero namin. Tingnan mo ngayon.
Oo nga eh.
Nasaan ba si Bob?
Inaral ko yung mga kanta. Each song, bro.
Speaking of hubadan, si Russell ng Agatha na napahubad na sa liver natin.
Yeah, Russ of Agatha speaks highly of you guys.
Russ!
He started the shit. Hindi, si Dean, tangina. Sarap kasama sa gigs, man. As in, sobrang sarap. As in, ang kulit. You know, you're looking at this really tall and, you know, tangina, parang, kamukha niya si Ozzy.
Oo, slide.
Yeah, di ba?
Halong Ozzy at Dave Mustaine. Parang,
Yeah, correct. Tangina, ma-intimidate ka kay Dean eh. Pero pag kinausap mo and you're all drunk and all that shit, tangina, ang saya kausap ni Dean. Tapos, wow, for all I know, tangina, magugulat ka, tangina, Dean is, ang galing pala, tangina, ang galing. Tapos, GMA, what is that contest? Yung GMA artist shit? Nagulat ako, wow, tayo si Dean, man. Tangina, what the fuck? Ang galing. And makikita mo kung paano siya mag-play. Puta. All hands down, Agatha. What the fuck?
Oo, solid.
Ang galing yan. Solid.
When we had him here, nag-enjoy kami. That man is power, man. They're really powerful.
Yeah, galing. And galing mag-talk ni Dean. Dean monster rin. So, yeah, ang galing mag-talk ni Dean. Ang lalim ng utak ng tao yan. I could see it. And, pero comedy. Whatever happened there sa gig na, yeah. That's all. Sa amin lang yun. Wag nilang makita sa Pinoy Flicks or Pinay Flicks.
That is why, ladies and gentlemen, everyone who's watching this podcast, please go to live gigs.
Si
Huwag
Dean,
kayong puro
yan eh.
YouTube lang.
Yung last na natin, tumatak yung yung bubble bath niyan eh, no?
Oo, man. Bubble bath. Saka yung kapangyarihan ng kamyas. Yung kamyas yung hindi ko nakalimutan eh.
Yeah, isa yan sa mga talagang kwela na. Sana makabalik yung Agatha, no?
Oo.
Sana makabalik sa ating Agatha. Cool silang tatlo.
I'm sure they're looking forward to that. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Galing yan. And grabe yung nila, reach nila sa their music. Nasa niya? Sweden? What the fuck? Galing, man. Sweden ba yun or Norway or I don't know, pero
May European countries.
yeah, congrats sa Agatha. Mga kapatid na
Yung Echoes yata yun eh. Tama ba? Yung
Echoes, yes. Oh, ang ganda ng kanta
Isip
nila.
nila. Congratulations sa Agatha. Galing. Ang galing naman talaga nila eh. Magaling naman talaga.
Tangina.
Sabi nga rin ni Lee na hindi naman sila maglalabas ng riff na hindi pogi, hindi raw astig.
Oh.
Kailangan astig. Yeah.
Oh,
It's
doon ako
astig.
natuwa sa kanila eh.
Galing ng agad naman. Galing.
Mhm.
Actually, pagka nagkakasabay kami, lahat kami nakaupo lang yan. Kami ni Gab, nasa harap ng stage. Nanonood kami. Wow, po. Kailan itong mga to.
Actually, that's what I love about Gab. Eh. I mean, speaking of your guitarist, I mean, he's the youngest of the group.
Yeah.
But you know, you can see na in his eyes talaga na parang he's
Yeah.
not there just to front. He's there to learn. He's
Yeah.
para siyang nanonood ng mga ano lang eh, parang how am I gonna beat these guys? Parang ganun yung vibe niya sa akin, eh, nakakatuwa eh.
Totoo. There was this one gig. Andy, shout out to you, man. Andy Sonar. Galing mag-gitara. Gab was really focused on ina, galing. And Bob as well. He was also focused na pinapanood niya si Andy. And ang galing nito. Minsan nag-solo si Andy and solo play. Kasi galing po. Nakaboses pa ni Eddie Vedder. What more could you ask for? Diba? Yan. Galing.
No, but don't sell yourself short, man. I mean, your sound is very awesome. Kaya nga rin, we're very happy to have you here. I mean, your
Thank
band is
you.
pretty good, man.
We're honored to be here. Matagal ko na itong pinapangarap eh. Hindi ko na
Oo.
Actually,
Thank you.
tagal na namin nasa radar yung Ligor. Noong last year, nung unang nag-guest kami yung Black Wolf. Sabi, uy, ano yung Ligor? Actually, naawit na rin sa akin to na-pitch na rin sa akin to before ni ano.
Nababanggit mo na yung
Yan.
TJ dati.
Oo.
Oo.
Basta tatlo yun eh. Yung, syempre, tapos na yung Black Wolf. Tapos nag-return to Eden tayo. Tapos may pinitch sa akin si Christian Licor. Sabi ko, tapos binanggit din ni Mike Twain ng Black Wolf. Uy, pare, salang nyo rin yung Licor. Pero, for some reason, di ko alam bakit ngayon lang nangyari to.
Oh.
Diba?
Yeah, it's okay. No,
Better late than never.
Mike Twain, my brother. I've been with him since high school.
Mhm.
So, naging kabanda ko si Mike. Yeah,
Talaga?
tinanggal ako niyan.
Tama?
Ouch, Mike. I had to tell them. Pero hindi.
Pero,
Mike, yan. Tawa na naman po tayo ng obit talaga to. Yeah, pero yeah, tumatambay yun sa bahay ko, sa kwarto ko. We would record yung Casio na maliit na stereo, may recording na tape, cassette. We would record everything. Biyahe was one of the things that we recorded there. One of their single songs, Biyahe. So, I have to get royalties. Lola. Mike is, ang laking tulong ni Mike sa Liquor. As in, am I allowed to? Ang dami kong cuss words. Pero,
It's all good, man.
you
All
haven't
good
seen
tayo
Agatha.
dito.
Mas
Agad?
malupit.
Oh, yeah.
Si Rigel yung OM natin. So, okay lang kay OM.
Okay lang kay OM, so okay lang sa lahat.
Pero, yeah.
OM.
Malaking support ni Black Wolf Gypsies, Mike, and Mr. Pernis.
So,
Brian.
sorry lang what I've heard so far is from A26 to Liquor, right?
Eros.
So,
Yeah.
Same ba yung tao from A26 or like paano nabuo yung Liquor? Like nakilala na ba kayo ni Mike before?
Mike was a batchmate from Bene. So I kilala ko na siya. He plays
Malawak
really well.
talaga yung Bene connection, ano? Anyway,
Malawak ang Bene connection. Are you from Bene, TJ?
No, perpetual ako. Same school as
Puta.
Although
I
Bene is
love Perpetual,
different.
man. Tumatambay ako sa Admiral.
Ano yan?
Admiral.
Maangke.
Hindi na ako magsasalita.
Yeah.
Wag, yan, talaga hindi pwede yan.
Yeah. Pero Mike, my brother is really I've known him and I've seen him play before, and magaling yan. And you know, syempre, higher batch si Mike eh. Matanda na yan, mga 57 na yata si Mike. Pero yeah.
Oy, walang matanda dito, walang matanda dito.
Yeah, 46 lang yata si Mike. And he's had congrats kay Mike. He's a very good father, and he just had his first baby.
Thank you.
A few months ago. So
Congrats, man.
she is our liquor baby, our original liquor baby. Pero
Welcome to
yeah,
the hood. Daddy
Yeah.
hood.
yeah, dati na yan. So I've known Mike since high school, and I know his potentials. Mas lalo na ngayon. And with 826 kasi before, so we've had issues, the normal band issues na, you know, so we were in contact. I was in contact. Me and Mike was talking, and it was supposed to be just another band and mag-jam lang, you know, to test each other out, I think. Di ba? Ganun naman eh. And then things happened with 826. So we had to let go. Mark and Gab and me, we had to let go kasi we're not growing. Yeah. Being in a band is parang nasa office ka lang din, di ba? You have to grow, man. You have to mangarap ka na tangina, hindi lang puro tayo garage, man. Kasi naka-play na tayo sa labas, and why won't we take it as a notch more, di ba? Kasi basta yun, ganun nangyari. So we had to change people, and fortunately with an F, you know, Mike was there, and Bob was there, and you know, things really gelled. As in, nag-connect kami lahat, and everything was as in andali, as in all those songs that we wanted to play, and the cover songs and the originals that I wanted to hear, Mark and Gab as well, na gusto nila ganito mangyari, happened, di ba? And yeah, with the other guitars as well, na yun ang gusto niyang marinig na nangyari with the new brothers that we have. So yeah, that's what basically what happened. Pero we no bad blood kasi nakausap ko na siya, and I explained things, you know. He's okay, and you know, marami lang taong you know, you just have to explain. May mga sumisingit ng tao na, you know, wanted us to make quarrel of everything, but yeah, my friend is, what are you saying? Pero yeah, ganun lang. Pero yeah, everything is good with liquor right now, and as in, we're looking forward to everyone needs a good old rock and roll and all the noise.
Of course.
Yeah. And naubos na yung Alfonso.
I can't. I think I don't think that you be able to keep your music quiet anytime soon din naman. I mean, with the intensity ng mga songs, tsaka yung power nyo together collectively, it's actually quite good. I mean, I'm not saying this just to yank your chain or stroke your balls or anything like that, but you know, I mean, I really like music, and I like what I hear. So,
thank you.
You know,
but the ball stroking is, I like that.
No, I charge for that, bro.
I love you, Johnny. I love you, Johnny. Yeah. I was first na labas ng liquor was on Lopez. You were there.
Yeah,
I Puta na, it's lasing, man. Sorry.
First gig ng Liquor.
Oh.
PSP gig. Lasing si Obet.
Mike, that's how you, di ba? Liquor eh. So, tangin na lasing tayo lahat dapat.
First,
Actually, in
then-
the back of my mind, when I was about to introduce you guys, that your name kind of fits you right now.
So, itatanong ko sana kung bakit they came up with the name Liquor. Pero parang self-explanatory na talaga.
yun
literal.
na Parang,
Wag na lang.
Pero pinorek ko si Obet about it eh. Sabi ko, Obet, last mo na yung yung
Yeah.
grabe pa.
Alam mo, they're really strict. Yan, lalo na si Mike, they're really strict pagka sa gig. They would only allow me two bottles of pale before the gig. Pero after,
Then after,
Yeah, pakasawa ka na.
Kasi it does affect the voice. It affects your voice kasi.
Performance overall. Nakalimutan niya yung lyrics. Na-advance niya yung lyrics. So, apektado lahat ng banda. Sayang. Na-correct na yun.
Yeah, I think that's what actually makes it magical then for you guys. Kasi even when iffy yung situation with Robert na lasing siya, but the four of you guys make it work. So I was like, oh man, yeah, this is good. Kasi, diba, on normal standards, parang if one person in the band makes a mistake and then everyone starts blaming the guy, then the whole gig turns to shit. Pero with you guys really make it work, which is what I love. Yeah, bilib ako sa inyo na parang, oh man, this is really cool.
tsaka parang nag-enjoy lang sila no? Parang,
which is
yun yung pinaka maganda dun
Oh.
Pag nagkamali ka, tawa ka lang, di ba? Enjoy lang natin yung
Yeah.
ito.
daming beses nangyari yan. I mean, we're all tipsy and alam mo yun, we tend to forget what we are supposed to play. And mas lalo na ako, goldfish ako, man. So, nangyayari yan. And I'm fortunate enough to have these people, my brothers, na naintindihan nila. Pero, it's just all about enjoying the gig. And, as long as the crowd is enjoying what you're doing, I don't see anything wrong there. Diba?
Yeah.
And, yun naman ang maganda sa amin. We're all for the audience. We're really conscious about how we look and how we perform sa audience. Not hindi kami. As in, tangina, laki nga ng tiyan ko I take out my clothes.
Boy, walang ganun, pre. Walang ganun dito. Bad words yan, pre. Bad words yan. You can cuss, man. Walang usapan sa malaking tiyan, bro.
Agree ka ba, TJ?
Si Papa may kasalanan. Si Bob.
so is it liquor or liquor? Or depende?
Oh, man.
Depende.
If you're drunk enough, it's car.
Lika ka.
Pero it's liquor.
Yeah. In line
Liquor.
with Z's
It's
question,
actually
I mean,
liquor.
ah,
Yeah, but yeah. Inartehan lang namin yung dalawang dots sa pero we don't really know how it was pronounced until we researched for that. So it's actually liquor. Strong accent, whatever, na yung gumagamit ng two dots na yun. I think it's Norwegian.
it's like,
May
Dalawang dot.
Yeah, dalawang dot. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's Norwegian.
Actually, medyo pinapahirapan ako yung unyo na dalawang dot Nung nagre-research kami
Ang
ng
hirap
audios nyo, ang hirap pa namin ng ligo.
Alam mo ba, Obet? Sabi ko, TJ, di ko mahanap yung ligor. Di, ganito yung gano'n mo. Ginawa ko, pumupunta pa ako sa sa Facebook page nyo. Kinaka-copy paste ko pa yung ligor.
Sorry, bro. Nahirapan din yung Facebook sa amin. So, we had to change yung tag, parang 0 yata. Tama ba ako, Mike?
Parang gano'n nangyari Oo. Space yung space ata. L space I space. Parang ganun. Kailangan may space eh.
Yeah, so, ayun na, sabi ko nga, lagyan mo na lang likor. Ang inom ka. Pero, yeah, yun nga. So, that's medyo gusto namin ayusin. Kaya lang, meron yata kasing band
Oo, meron.
somewhere na nauna na sila sa amin. So, oo, pero hindi na yata sila buhay. The last time that they ever played was, I think, 2011. And, well, so, meron tayong representative sa Philippines na totoong likor kasi alcoholic.
Yeah.
I don't think they drink. They were young. And babata na eh.
Alak yan.
Okay, so gusto ko lang i-acknowledge yung mga commenters
Yeah,
natin.
sige.
Especially sa mga nagbigay ng stars.
Wow, we too?
Whoa.
Para
We
sa
have stars? Holy shit.
Yeah, dating conversation ko. Shoutout ko lang kay Madam Maan Tadi.
Oh, my wife.
Yes. Good evening, Madam. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
Maraming
thank you.
Evening po, madam.
Thank
Kay
you.
Imelda Alam Malasig. Hello, Sir Mike. Yeah. Shout out to Sir
Magandang
Mike.
gabi po.
And kay Madam Arlene Tadi.
My
Yan.
sister.
Yun. Good evening po.
Ang supportive ah.
Erwin
Yeah.
Matias ng Pirana. Good evening, sir. Shout out, sir.
Good
Oh,
evening.
Pirana, wow. Hi, Pirana. I'm a fan.
Ayan, si
Yeah.
Erwin, nandyan,
Erwin.
Ang ina, gagaling yan. Hi.
Yun. So, I guess it's time to play another song. Shall we, Rigel? Do you think?
Sige, play natin yung pagbabago.
Mm.
That's the latest.
Sige, sige.
Okay,
Yeah.
while we are playing that song, let's find a way para makapasok na rin si Mark.
Oh, sige.
Yes, yes.
Mm. Sige. Let's do that. Anytime, Rigel, just let us know.
Okay.
All right, once more, we'll be right back with the Boys of Leka.
This is composed by our other guitarist, and this is for Bob. Tapos, at mga pagkakago, again, written by Bob Pagola.
Grabe. Parang maraming gitara ito din. Okay.
Christian na Christian eh.
Ayos.
Christian, umaapaw yung boses eh. Ayun, 80% ng agatan nandito na. Ian Joseph, thank you for joining. Hubara na
What's
daw.
up, Ian?
Sapi yan.
So, wala pa rin si Mark. So, nanghihingi talaga ng meeting ID sa kanya.
Binigay ko na.
Di ba yung... Ha?
Pinorward
Ano
ko
bigay
na.
mo yung meeting ID?
Oh, sa ano natin.
Okay, see. Nice.
Ako kung nakakawa.
Wala pa.
What's with the X, man?
Wala ka pang camera, tanga. Wala ka pang camera.
So, since nakaganyan si Tito Obet, matanong ko na Mike, anong influences nyo, bro? Kasi ang ramdam ko sa tunugan nyo, parang southern rock na more into classical rock and roll. So parang ganun yung dating niya sa akin.
You're on mute, Sir Mike.
Since nakaganyan si Tito Obet, matanong ko na Mike, anong influences nyo, bro? Kasi yung ramdam ko sa tunugan nyo, parang southern rock na... Mike, I think you're on mute, man.
Nakamute ka,
you're-
Mike. Take two.
Yun.
So I guess yun nga, lumalabas na sa classic 90s rock ang lumalabas na influence namin, which is yun naman talaga. Ba't nakatape mo bibig mo, Obet?
Tinipan ako ni Mark.
Yun naman ang gusto natin, tol, di ba? Yung mga
Tinipan ako.
panahon natin talaga, 90s classic rock. Kaya minsan pag gumihirit ako ng, for example, Obet, kaya mo mag-Dream Theater. Medyo sabi niya, hindi yata. Bago ito po niya.
Wala na.
Pabog, itlog.
So 90s classic rock talaga, grunge yan, grunge era, ganun ang influence namin eh. Yun ang lumalabas eh, which is yun din ang gusto. Kaya pasok talaga lahat, masaya. Basta sinasabi ko lang talaga sa kanila, since day one na pumasok ako sa liquor, yung Nabuhay Liquor, sabi ko, basta bro, relax lang tayo. Walang pressure, walang away, walang Asa, lahat yan, hindi natin kailangan yan. Tatandaan na natin eh, wala nang mga issue, walang, basta relax lang. Walang
Sir, pipigil lang kita dyan, sir. Walang matanda dito, sir. Matanda.
Agree.
Oo. Lahat
Oo.
tayo.
Tugtungan kayo, no? Yung sabi ko kanina ni John Boy.
Sabi ko,
First communion ko bukas.
yan ang minsan nagiging problem ng mga banda eh. May issue si ganito, may issue sa ganyan. Sabi ko, wag, kung may hirap yan. Mahirapan tayo mag-progress. Relax lang. Tugtog lang tayo. All for the love of music. Yun naman. Masaya naman. Kasi ako, nag-enjoy yung gig. Medyo nanggigil nga sa tagal kong hindi nakatugtog for how many years. Kaya nung sumalang ako sa gig, talagang excited. Ang saya eh.
Oo, syempre.
No. Ito lang, medyo napahinga lang kami for, ako kung nakakwento na ni Obet about recently what's happening to the band, that's why medyo hindi kami nakaka-play. Hopefully soon, makabalik na rin agad.
Nagkasabay-sabay. Mike's wife gave birth to their first child. Si Mike na injured din sa the finger. Na-injured yung the finger.
Man.
The finger, come on, man.
Mali finger ba yan? Naputol yung litid. Pero okay naman ah.
Weh, talaga?
Nakaganon siya nung una. Na hindi ko makontrol. Nakababa lang siyang ganon. Hindi siya broken finger eh. Yung pinaka-litid niya, yun ang nabali. So, inerapy pa for almost 2 months. So, bumalik naman si dati. So,
Okay naman.
Okay.
Hazel, na-finger ka, Brad.
na-finger ako,
Yeah.
brother.
Ayun. So, na-finger si Mike.
Si
His
Bob
wife,
din.
Kurt. Si Bob, aneurysm. He had brain surgery. My mom had a heart attack.
Oh,
Tapos,
shit.
yeah. As
She's good
in,
now.
sabay-sabay. As in, sabay-sabay. As in, sabi ko nga sa liquor, do you guys pray? Do you guys pray? Come on, dasal tayo minsan, ha? Medyo sabay-sabay. Pero, yeah, we're recovering from everything that's going on. And, we're good.
Parang
We're
yung
doing
ano
good.
nyo, parang yung grupo no, yung banda nyo. Parang nasa nasa part ng awakening eh.
Oh, bro, sobra. As in, what the fuck? Ano nangyayari? There's something na mangyayari na maganda. I don't know. Pero,
Yeah.
di ba? Yeah. And,
Kasi, di ba, after the storm, talagang umaayos lahat eh. So,
yeah,
I
there
guess,
should be something that's gonna, well, hopefully, sana, tama yun. Pero, again, yeah, if you guys wanna ask us.
One thing for sure.
Ayaw niya ako.
Ano lang,
Good.
trust the
My
process
friend- my
lang.
friend-
Parang ganun.
Yung barkada ko dito is restricting me for, I'm talking too much.
it's all good, man.
Siguro nilagyan ka ng ano.
Pero like, do you put tape on your fingers now? Like, naglalagay ka na ng plate.
May hindi lagay akong parang binivelcro siya na plastic. So, inalis ko na siya. Bumalik na eh. Diretso na siya eh.
Nagva-vibrate.
Oo. So, okay na siya. Pumapalo-palo ako ulit. Bumabalik naman. Andun pa rin naman. Wala naman nagbago. So, buti na lang. Yun lang.
May kirot pa rin.
Andun pa rin. Andun pa rin siya. So, kailangan pang i-therapy to eh. More finger exercises pa.
Hmm.
Finger.
Okay, gusto kong dugtungan nyo, yung question kanina ni John regarding your influences. Siguro ano yung naging gateway nyo? Any particular band na nag-serve as yung gateway nyo to the sa rock music na na-apply nyo pa ngayon as liquor?
Mike, you wanna go first?
Ikaw, tol, ano ba? Hindi ko maano eh.
Ikaw muna. Whatever you could think of.
Parang naging influence ba natin ito, brother?
Yes.
Oo.
Up until now, na-apply nyo sa current band. Sa liquor.
Oo. Paano ba? Hindi ko maano Tobit, masabi kung
Siguro kung ako yung nasagot sa sarili kong question, yung pinaka-basic or standard na magiging sagot ko sa tanong ko is, syempre na yung Beatles, di ba? Ganun. Meron bang naging Beatles sa inyo na up until now yung pa rin na-apply nyo? Pagdating sa song process nyo, pagbuo ng melodies, na-apply nyo ba to? Or naisip nyo?
Maybe ako, I grew up in a household na, yung plaka pa lang, may voltage pa nga Dymos.
Yeah.
Yung maliliit na plaka, I remember those things.
45.
Yung maliliit na plaka, yung malaking plaka, and the cassette. So, I grew up listening to lahat. I was born in 1980, so my dad, tangina, tanda ko to. He had the special phono ng Led Zeppelin. 4 pages yung plaka na merong poster nung matanda na nakatayong ganun. Remember that? Yung sa Led Zeppelin nakatayong ganun. He listens to that shit, and tapos tumanda yung kapatid ko. I'm the youngest. So my oldest brother was born in 1968, so he used to listen to John Mellencamp, Bruce Springsteen, and all those shit. So I listened to those shit, and come my second brother, si Alan, he listened to New Wave, and then nandiyan na yung Metallica and Guns N' Roses and all.
Mhm.
So, I know those things then. So, and then lumaki tayo, and we listened to grunge and death metal and hip hop and NWA and all those things. Si
KRS-One,
John napatawa sa NWA.
Hey
Public
man, I love
Enemy.
that stuff. Yeah.
It's up and then dun. Yeah.
Yun, Led Zeppelin 4 daw yung album na yun, sabi ni Dean Russell.
Ha?
Led Zeppelin 4, yung album daw na yun.
Oh.
Thank you.
Hindi ko alam kung what album I listened, but it was eye-opening yung maybe I was 4, 5, and I was listening to
Oh man.
those things, yeah. So, and yung tito ko was a junkie. So, Flower People yun eh. My mom was, I think, kasi nahuli ako ng mom ko dati, and sabi niya, not until your college. I was keeping it on a pencil case. So, I mean, you know what I'm saying, right? So,
Yeah.
that was the Beatles' influence on me. And wala akong pinipiling genre or music. I listen to them all, and I think it has really greatly affected how I wrote songs. Yeah. Yun. So,
Yan, same
masaya. Oo, ganun.
all nag-start actually, namulat yung ano ko sa music through my father, kasi yung dad ko he loves to sing Frank Sinatra, Matt Monroe,
Standards.
Standard.
yun yung mga 40s 50s na sikat na artist, sila Johnny Mathis, lahat yun napapakinggan ko since I was a little kid until high school, yan until college, yun ang palagi niya kinakanta. So mas namulat pa ako sa start ng mga ganong classic songs, and then doon na nag-start. So wala akong anong influence talaga na lahat napakinggan ko. Tapos siguro sa terms of pag type of music, lahat din nasubukan ko. Hanggang college, nagkaroon ng subok-subok jam with friends. Lahat ng genre na nasubukan ko. May nakakapagod talaga. Merong. Kaya nga ito sa Liquor, talagang parang yung, at the peak of yung time ko was the 90s era talaga. Doon ko nag-jive dito sa Liquor sa Liquor band. So that's why talaga nag-i-enjoy kami. Yun lang.
May add ako dyan. Itong katabi ko dito, can you let yourself be known? Come here.
Yes, sir. Come step into the light.
This is Mark
What's
Fructuso. This is Mark Fructuso. He's been my neighbor for all of my life. So,
Good evening to you, sir Mark.
alam mo, influence niya sa akin, yung kumakanta kami sa video ko, yung mga kumikislap-kislap. Yeah, totoo yan. I mean, you hone your voice with Joker. You want to impress the girls and all that shit. So,
That's where we all start.
you remember Just Once? 4368.
Yun, no? Kabisaan.
Oy, delo lang. Don't look. Huwag niyo hanapin yun sa mga papaaway.
When somebody loves you, it's
Join,
unless they love you.
Join, kung kailangan mo, damo. Ay, kung kailangan mo. This guy, my brother. Yan. Diyan na-hone yung he would neighbor ko to in 2 houses away. He would knock on my fucking window and tangin na.
Crash on your door?
Inom tayo. Tapos yung inom namin dun sa bar ng tito ko. So I'm saying a lot of shit na dapat hindi malaman ng tao. I hope not everyone is watching. Pero yeah,
Classic
yun,
yun.
yung video ko and all that shit. Yeah. Doon na hone yung mga ganyan-ganyan. And, you know, it's part of everything.
That's a good one.
Can I put masking tape on my...
It's all good, man.
How long have you guys been as a liquor band?
Sorry.
Parang gano'n na kayo katagal na liquor or playing together as a liquor band?
2 years. Sa
2 years.
bagong-bago na kami. 2022 nag-start eh.
Yeah,
Kasing
baby
2 years
pa.
Oo. Pero yung age yan, hindi na bata.
Relatively parang lumalabas relatively sa scene. Yung Liquor, hindi na sila newbie. Liquor as a band, yes, they are new, relatively new. But yung individual members, they're not. It explains
Season.
pretty much explains kung ano sa mga pieces nila sa mga songs. Masyado ako nakaka-relate doon na hindi
Thank you.
masyado na maraming pinagdaanan tong mga member na to.
Tama.
Yeah, TJ, thank you.
Tama.
It's very obvious. Very obvious.
Thank you, TJ. Yeah, well,
But na 2 years pa lang kayo. Well, yeah, 2 years, pero it doesn't represent actually the way you guys sound.
Thank you.
Yeah.
thank you.
Mabigat.
Wow.
Really.
Oo, totoo.
That's nakakatapa ng puso yung sinabi mo, man. Pero salamat.
Any plans of making a music video?
Oh, yes, with you guys. Yeah, why not, man? I mean, we haven't really thought of it. Pero, I don't know. But why not with you guys? Diba?
Mhm.
Why not? Diba? I mean, with everyone that's been on the wagon,
Mhm.
diba? With the people that's been part of liquor, why not? Yun yung inisip namin. And then, local brew. Now, di ba? Habang tumatagal, we want to make everyone feel appreciated. Di ba? Kasi, liquor is growing, and it's just because of everyone's help. Yung mga kaibigan namin and you guys and sobrang sobrang grateful kami with everyone's help. We never really even realized na we've been known for a few people, di ba? Keeping our naging humble. You never really known na wow, people are hearing our songs, and it's really a grateful experience and humbling experience for all of us. Because Johnny, I can never thank you enough, and Christian, for hearing what we want to share with people. Johnny. Kaya pag nakikita ko si Johnny, I wish na make sure, Johnny! Oh, always fucking time, man. I hug that big guy. And nandito ako sa binti ni Johnny, para akong asong making safe sex.
Hopefully,
Pero, yeah.
Hopefully TSP magkaroon ulit sila ng panibagong event. I believe merong niluluto ngayon, pero nasa discussion pa lang. Pero
Wow.
yeah, nasa
Kinda
discussion.
hard.
Yeah, sana
Yeah, we
mag
will.
pan out, barring any conflict sa schedules, for sure matutuloy ito. And Yun, it's something that we should watch out. Okay,
Yes. Excited yan.
Yes.
all right. So, okay, so Long Gun. Pag-usapan natin yung Long Gun. Kaka-release nyo lang to. What's for those who don't know, what's the song is all about?
Alam ko, love song yan, Obet, di ba?
Oh, it's supposed to be a love song, and yeah, again, I was on a circus that time with the S. So I was just writing songs, and Long Gun is just about me expressing my madness
Okay.
at that time. I just want to say no and goodbye and fuck you and all your things, you know. So I hope my son is not watching, but well, he's 20. Yeah, matanda na yung anak ko, so he would understand. But yeah, that's your mom. Pero hindi. Yeah, yun lang yun. Just maybe someone on a relationship that he wanted to let go and he can't, but you know, pinapabayaan niya yung mga ganun nangyayari, and deep within him, he wanted to let go and grab all his shoes and just fucking run and, you know, just end that fucking stage of his life. Yeah, yung ganun ba? Yeah, it was really, and oh, shout out sa wife ko. Hi, if you're watching. Fuck you.
Yan po.
Okay. So, do you guys think it's a good time na or right time na ba para i-play natin yung song?
Yes, I think for me. So excited to hear it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you, Z.
Play na natin.
I second the motion.
Yeah. Jel, you know what to do. You know the drill, brother.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you.
I'm on air.
Long Gun.
Liquor. Ladies and gentlemen, first time. We'll be right back with the boys of Liquor. There you have it.
Okay.
Liquor with their
Sarap.
release, Long Gun.
Parang gusto ko pang
Solid.
dugtungan eh. Diba? Sarap.
Sarapan eh.
Oo, oo, oo.
Harapan moment.
Solid yun.
Actually, the funny thing na ngayon na sinabi mo na Obet na ano siya, medyo love story siya. Pero ano eh, hindi eh. Parang pwede mo siyang gamitin in general eh. Parang general approach to life eh. Ayos eh.
Yeah.
No?
Kasi I'm long.
Oh.
Wow, thank you. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I appreciate na that's how you translated it. Pero, yeah, that was a song that I wrote for the times na, you know. Pero if it has translated to you guys that way, wow. I never thought na, yeah, that was good. Yeah. Maybe yeah, kasi if someone's in a relationship, diba, then they wanted to go out and that relationship is really bad. Maybe it's gonna be long gone. So, if someone's in a relationship,
Eh, pwede din siya sa trabaho eh. Parang transcendental siya eh. Na,
oh yeah, ganyan,
no,
yeah.
Papaalam ka na sa
Yeah.
boss mo.
Oo, diba?
Maybe it
Wala
transcends
lang.
to everything. Yeah.
Oo,
Na nakakatawa.
Oh, parang tatakas ka ng traffic, resign ka sa trabaho.
Kasi I'm
Lan-
long gone.
Oo. Lalayasan mo yung dati mong landlord. Alam mo, di pong gano'n. Ayos eh.
Gusto ko
Pwede.
yung
Dami,
landlord.
dami.
Gusto ko yung landlord, man.
Alright, so sa madaling sabi, unless na lagyan mo ng name yung song, magiging personal siya. Pero since na wala naman, it applies to all.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Sige, what's next for... Okay, na-share nyo na kanina yung mga future agendas ng Liquor. Pero aside from those that we've heard, what's next for Liquor?
Yan.
More recordings.
What can we expect?
More recordings. Kasi sa lineup, parang may 4-5 songs na kami. Since na-release yung Long Gun, and then yung situation namin sa ngayon, na what's happening right now na hindi pa kami makatugtog at as of the moment, so we guys talk about na what if kung mag-release naman tayo ng next song na natin, which is yung Lullaby, i-record
Uy,
na natin.
exciting yan ah.
Oo, i-record na natin, and then might kayon katulad na banggit kanina, gawa natin ng video ng MTV, why not? Kung pa pwede. Magandang kanta kasi, yun ang actually pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat ng original songs. Para siyang blues.
Ito ba yung rock and roll lullaby?
Yes, yes. Yan ang balak naming agenda for the next, habang hindi pa talaga pwede. So, mag-record na lang muna kami. Mag-mix, master, and then release. Dan each song.
Ito yung next year na i-release or i-squeeze nyo until this year?
O next year to, matagal lang, medyo matagal lang mixing. Tsaka yung mag-mix and master, hindi biro.
Oo.
Matagal.
Technically speaking, yung technicalities ng mga kanta eh.
Yung sa mix and master, kayo rin ang tumitirada? O
ang laking tulong sa amin talaga is si Dedek Mongalo of Sunday Special Band. Yung sila tumulong sa amin na mag-mix and master, band ng brother ko, si Marvin. And then, the rest, dito sa studio ko, pwede rin naman mag-record. So, medyo napabilis kahit pa paano na-enhance yung gusto namin tunog na palabasin. Yun ang gusto kasi ni Dedek. Sabi niya, at least, pre-record nyo dyan sa studio mo, alam ko na kung ano yung gusto nyong tunog na mangyari. So hindi na kahirap sa kanya. Mix and
Smart
master.
move. Hindi na long haul. Medyo ano na siya, parang pre-packaged na.
Parang easy na lang yung pag-mix and master niya.
Yes, correct.
Oh, kasi I mean, with your sound, hindi siya it's actually technical in a sense na it's not overproduced but it's not underproduced. You know what I mean? Parang I can feel na there's the gel, there's the fluidity of it, pero there's also the rawness of it na kumbaga hindi siya ginawang fuck it, I'm just gonna make this because I'm good. Hindi yung
Yes.
ganun, parang talagang may heart, may brain, may
Tama
soul.
yung sinuggest ni Dedek eh. Sabi niya, Kuya Mike, kuya na eh. No? Sabi niya, record nyo, hindi lang ikaw sa drums ha. Kahit each part nung sa kick mo, yung kick mo, kung anong gusto mo tunog ng kick, yung snare mo, tapos sa gitarista, kung anong gustong talagang tunog ni Gab, si Obet, kung anong gusto tunog.
Pinapa-isolate talaga.
Oo.
And from there, at least may idea na ako, pag narinig ko na raw file na record, papadala namin sa kanya ng raw talaga eh. Or medyo may premix na kami. Okay, at least alam ko na kung anong gusto niyong tunog. Doon niya na lang saka enhance. Kaya doon lumabas talaga yung tunog ng liquor. Na hindi siya yung tama yung sinabi mo na basta lang na, ito, raw file, bahala ka na mag-mix. Walang parang originality talaga na kung saan gusto.
Siya na yung
Meron din
magtatahi
namang-
talaga, no?
Hindi, may gano'n naman na magic. Pero kasi ako minsan parang mararamdaman mo din naman yun sa mga pinapakinggan mo minsan na parang, ito, ganito to, parang ito, pinag-isipan talaga nila. I mean, for the most part, okay na gano'n. Okay na pinaghirapan talaga. Ganun. Pero may magic din kasi na minsanan na one take wonder. Alam mo yun, yung parang, the stars have aligned. Mapapaganon ka na lang, di ba?
Tama.
Pero bihirang-bihira. Hirap.
Parang yung yung sa video nyo ng Long Gun. Ano yun? One take lang din. Hindi ako expert pero nakita ko kasi yung yung video nyo ng Long Gun. And one take lang ba yun? Like one day lang na recording and then sino nag-edit?
Yun, yung sa drums dito, siguro naka 3 takes ako na yung talagang take ko, okay talaga. Then si Obet dito din. And then the rest sila, mga tigisang araw, nag-take lang sila na tigisang one day record sila. And then sinend na lang sa G-file. And then from there, inaayos. Natagalan lang talaga sa pag-mix and pagmamaster. As in, yun lang. Madali mag-record lalo na pagka, nasa heart na yung kanta. Hindi na halos kailangan practicein kahit nakapikit ka na, piplay na. Madali na i-record eh. Yung pag-mix and master lang medyo matagal. Siguro, tig-isang araw sila. Ako, isang araw ko lang din na-take eh. Parang gano'n.
So yung sa technical side talaga, like is it like a group effort or isang tao lang yung yung nag-edit who takes care of everything?
Oo. Sa pag-take individual, group effort, sa video, ang nag-edit si Mark, yung bassist. Pero yung audio, mix and master, yon si Dedek Monggalo ng Sunday Special. Ang gumawa talaga lahat nung pag-mix and master. Yung nag-align lahat nung mga songs. Nung kada pyesa ng band members. Pag-align, pag-mix, siya lahat gumawa nun.
Thanks. Personally kasi, when I listen to Long Gun and then I watched the video kanina, again, hindi ako expert, pero most of the songs really that catches my ear din talaga is yung mga songs na may pinaghuhugutan. So, shout out to you, Obet. Like without us knowing na meron siyang pinaghuhugutan. Pero sobrang catchy and alam mo, napapa-headbang ka talaga and madali siyang sabayan for me.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks inspiration. Hindi kasi writer's block. Okay. All right, so it's been over an hour. It's been over an hour. Gusto ko rin before we wrap up, gusto kong pasalamatan again yung mga nakijam sa atin today. Agatha, of course, nandito sila. Then yung Tadi contingent, very active sila sa comment section. They also shared stars. Maraming salamat again. And then sa iba pang mga nag-comment, Si kay Poist, yan. Kay Marvin Tadi, Sydney Maikong. And for sa mga naka-tune in tonight, I know it's a Monday tomorrow. Sucks to know na Monday again tomorrow. Pero
Is it?
biglaan pa rin kayo ng oras.
Back to
Ngayong gabi.
Matrix tayo.
Maraming salamat. Guys, siguro Mike, Obet, parting shot. Anything you want to share, anything you want to say. The table is yours.
Aha.
Mike, come on.
Ako na nakahuli na si Obet.
Sige.
Basta enjoy lang. Yun lang sa akin.
Yan.
Enjoy the moment. Diba? You only live once nga sabi nila. Basta enjoy music. Ilan naman ako, ever since I really love music. Basta sinabi ko lang sa banda, walang pressure, enjoy lang. Walang kung ano-ano. Walang drama, walang ano. Basta enjoy lang tayo. Yun lang naman ang key eh. Pero practice. Importante mag-practice talaga. That's the key. Pag hindi ka magpo-practice, hindi mo aralin yung mga piyesa. Mahirapan kahit sabihin mong magaling ka. Pero kung hindi ka nag-ensayo, eh wala rin. Yun lang. Practice, enjoy. Enjoy lang. Walang ano. Sa enjoy and practice. Yun lang masasabi ko eh. Yun lang naman. Obet, ikaw na.
Oh, this is gonna be long, man. Fine.
Yeah.
Go,
Tama.
Obet. The floor is yours.
All good.
Or is yours, sir?
Local group. Salamat. This is a great talk. Ang sarap, man. Ang sarap. Masarap kausap ang kapwa musicians, and you get to ask one another, diba? Mga ganyan. Salamat sa opportunity nito, and we hope na mahabalik kami dito. I promise. My friend is telling me to cut it short, but he is our sixth member of the band. So
Okay.
yeah, he's my ito yung safeguard. So, pero I'd like to thank everyone who's been part of this, and 806. You guys are never forgotten. Johnny Salcedo, Jude Martinez, you're part of this. And I'd like to thank my brothers in the band, Mike, Tadi. I love you. You guapo shit. And Mark Trinidad.
Yeah, Mark.
Yeah. Bassist namin. And Gab, who's partying right now na Halloween. So, yeah, we'd like to thank everyone who's been following us. I forgot what our FB page is, but it's LIK0R, and then you could follow us on Spotify and YouTube. Tinatawa na ako.
May humahagi-kikik sa gilid eh.
Narinig niyo ba? Diba? Yeah. The sixth member of the
Parang,
Come here, man. Come here, man.
Pagsalitain na yan.
Pasalitan mo yan.
Thank you.
Meron pa tayong walang bata, yung mga ganun.
Thank you.
Pahabol na thank you, Rigel, Local Brew, TJ,
Yes, sir.
Johnny, Ma'am Z. Thank you sa inyo. Thanks for inviting us, to all our family and friends who continuously supporting us. Yung mga friends natin sa music industry yan. Mga mentors ko, yan. Brother ko, Marvin Tadi. And then my family, lahat. Everything. Salamat. Thank you talaga. Salamat sa support.
Maraming salamat din.
And
More
shout
power,
out
more
naman
power.
sa they're listening right now, watching. I mean, Enzo and Ella Bautista. So they're watching right now, and salamat sa support, sons and daughter. Sons?
Hope to see you all soon sa gig. Hope to see you.
Yeah,
soon.
yeah.
Yeah.
Si Johnny natawa.
No, because I
my
met your
kids.
daughter in the gig too, man.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
cool. It's cool.
Mali nga yung sabi ko. My kids, thank you for supporting your father. Okay. My daughter is playing Ozzy Osbourne. So, yeah.
Jeez.
Maybe ma-interview siya one of these days when she decides to be a musician.
Sure,
So-
sure.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you guys. Everyone who's been watching, everyone who's been following us, salamat. And we will always raise the glass for everyone.
Cheers.
Because our liquor.
Cheers.
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 Yeah, gusto ko i-second yung gusto ko i-second yung sinabi kanina ni Tito Obet. Sana pagbalik nyo dun sa saan makabalik kayo sa ng new song. Para may play rin natin sa ere.
Oh, yes,
Okay.
yes. Yes,
Very soon. Very soon.
Kayo unang-unang makakalam, pare. Kayo unang-unang.
Maraming salamat.
It is an honor. It is an honor, TJ. And,
Likewise.
oy,
The honor is
you
ours.
guys keep safe, please. Baguio, it's, We can
Bumabalik
feel
yan,
it.
But you're
may-
waving.
oh, oy, Z, uwi
What?
ka na. Tayo na yung coffee, man. Uwi mo na yung coffee.
No.
By the way, special shout out to Christian Pauline for setting this up.
Yes,
Yeah.
It's actually
Oh, thank you.
Siya nagano ng So what's up, brother man?
Oh, I,
Yeah,
me and
meron-
Mike, he's our brother. So, salute capital S to you, Christian. Salamat.
May niluluto
Forever.
rin kami sa dito sa isang segment, Local Brew Radio. One of these days, i-guest namin si Christian pero representing the Southern Project. Di ba? Cool yun. Alright, so coming soon, i-announce na lang namin dito sa page. Once again, sa mga hindi nakasama na members ng Liquor, maraming salamat pa rin sa inyo.
Oh,
mga bre.
sayang.
Sa kay Sir Mike, kay Sir Obet. Obet,
Thank you,
papunta kami dyan. Meron pa ba? O magdadala na?
Bibili na kami. Tayo na. Punta na kayo.
Mahabol si William Masbate.
Hey, man.
Kung may madaan na kaming barbecue, yun, daan kami dyan.
Shoutout sa'yo, William. Atman Remorse.
Let's go.
Alright.
Let's go.
Alright. Once again,
Thank you.
so much. Magandang gabi. Happy
Thank
Sunday.
you.
Salamat.
Salamat sa inyo. Liquor.
Power. God bless.
More
God bless.
power. Mm.
Johnny!
Yo.
Bye.
Bye.
Right.